Hi, this is Brad Aldrich, and this week's topic is traffic violations. My law firm considers traffic violations to fall under one of four categories. The first, which is probably the most common, is drunk driving. Under that, there are a number of different actual charges. In the state of Michigan, you're not allowed to operate a motor vehicle if your blood alcohol level is 0.08 or higher. Oftentimes, a good, competent attorney can either have the case dismissed or, at a minimum, have it pled down to something less than the original charge, maybe as an operating while impaired as opposed to an operating while intoxicated. The lesser charge does carry lower court costs and fines, lower driving suspension as opposed to a driver's license revocation, and less points with the Secretary of State. There's also, you can be charged with a second or third offense if you are caught drunk driving more than the original time. And the second or third offense carry much harsher penalties. It's much harder to get those pled down and can also be considered a felony for your third time. The second category under traffic violations would be your moving violations. Speeding is a typical example of this. This is not a misdemeanor. This is something that carries a penalty through the Secretary of State, so you do actually get points on your record, and actually carries court costs and fines. Once again, a good attorney that specializes in traffic violations is often able to either beat out those tickets or at a minimum have them reduced. The third category under traffic violations would be a civil infraction. And these are charges that are so minor they're not even considered moving violations, such as failure to wear a seatbelt, sudden acceleration, or blockading traffic. And they do not carry points through the Secretary of State, but they do carry court costs and fines. And the final category that our law firm considers under traffic violations would be traffic misdemeanors. Now these are a little rare, but they are important because they are actual misdemeanors. They are considered a crime, and that would be leaving the scene of an accident, reckless driving, or one of the most common is operating a motor vehicle without a driver's license or while your driver's license is revoked or suspended. They do carry a possible jail sentence along with community service and other fines and penalties through the court, and pretty severe penalties through the Secretary of State. So I would recommend strongly that you retain an attorney that specializes in traffic violations in these four areas. Aldrich Legal Services certainly does. And if you would like more information, please visit our website or call our office directly for a free consultation.